Flowtrail AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market. And if you're looking to stay ahead in digital marketing, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Stay tuned till the end because I'll be diving into the features and benefits that will help you decide if this is the right tool for your business. You can try Flowtrail AI completely free from the first link in the description below, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming up. First off, Flowtrail AI is designed for digital marketers who need a seamless way to automate workflows and streamline their processes. It's not just another AI software. It's built to save time and maximize your results by focusing on smart automation and data-driven insights. The interface is intuitive, making it user-friendly even for those who aren't tech-savvy. But what really stands out is its ability to integrate with multiple platforms, making it a powerful all-in-one solution for your marketing needs. One of the key features is its ability to analyze customer behavior in real time. This is huge for marketers who need immediate feedback on how their campaigns are performing. Flowtrail AI doesn't just report on stats. It helps you interpret the data, providing actionable insights that you can use to optimize your campaigns instantly. Whether you're running ads, sending email campaigns, or managing social media, this software helps you adjust on the fly, giving you a competitive edge. Next, let's talk about the automation. If you're tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks, Flowtrail AI's automation features are a game changer. You can set it to automatically respond to customer queries, schedule posts, and even trigger specific actions based on user engagement. Imagine cutting down hours of work every week. This is what Flowtrail AI promises. It also uses machine learning to refine your automation, so the longer you use it, the smarter it gets. Another impressive feature is its customer segmentation. Flowtrail AI's segmentation capabilities let you categorize your audience based on behavior, purchase history, or engagement patterns. This allows you to tailor your messages and offers to specific customer groups, increasing your chances of conversion. It's all about getting the right message to the right person at the right time, and Flowtrail AI does this effortlessly. The software also comes with an advanced reporting dashboard that tracks performance metrics in real time. You get to see not just the numbers, but a visual representation of your marketing efforts. This is perfect for decision makers who want to see the impact of their campaigns at a glance without wading through endless spreadsheets. The reports are customizable, so you can focus on the data that matters most to you. But what makes Flowtrail AI truly stand out is its ability to scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, this software adapts to your needs. Its scalability is backed by a robust infrastructure, ensuring that it can handle everything from basic tasks to more complex marketing campaigns as your business grows. Lastly, let's talk about support. One thing I really appreciate about Flowtrail AI is its dedicated customer support. With a live chat option and a comprehensive knowledge base, you're never left in the dark. Plus, they're constantly updating the software to include new features and integrations, which makes it a solid long-term investment for any marketer. To wrap it up, Flowtrail AI is definitely worth considering if you're serious about elevating your marketing strategy. It combines automation, data analysis, and customer insights to make your campaigns more efficient and effective. And the best part? You can try Flowtrail AI completely free through the link below. If you've been searching for powerful AI tools to streamline your marketing efforts, check out my recommended AI software in the description. After testing thousands of tools, these are the ones that stand out. Don't forget to hit the link and start your free trial with Flowtrail AI today.